Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this most secure crypto wallet in 2025, which is RockWallet. So here's a breakdown. The RockWallet positions itself as a security-first crypto wallet designed for both beginners and experienced users. It supports major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, so it lets you manage private keys, focus on keeping assets safe with strong encryption, on-device key storage, and secure backup. It also offers portfolio tracking, simple send and receive function, transaction history, all wrapped in a clean, easy to navigate interface that's friendly for new users but still appeal to seasoned traders. On the flip side, RockWallet's advanced security features can feel a bit overwhelming if you want a basic no-fee wallet. Some users also note that advanced privacy tools or multiple signature support are less robust compared with specialized hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. The pros include strong security, user-friendly design, and reliable coin support. And talking about the cons, it include learning curve for beginners and fewer ultra advanced security tools than top-tier hardware wallet. So my opinion, if security and usability are your priorities, RockWallet is worth using in 2025, especially for everyday crypto management. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more breakdown. You're welcome.